Hey there, beautiful friend. Want your selfie to look exactly the way you see yourself in the camera preview? In this quick 2026 Android guide, I'll show you how to enable the mirror selfie effect in just a few simple steps. So, every selfie saved the way you expect without any confusion. Let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the camera application. And make sure you want to use the latest version of the app. After the app is open, if your phone is latest version on Android, so this time you look for the bottom menu bar. Here you can find the 4 dots more button. Tap on it. After that, hit settings to open the camera settings menu. However, if your phone is older version, you can directly see the settings gear icon at the top or bottom menu bar on the page. Click to open the settings. Once you are in the settings camera settings page, scroll down a little, look for the selfie section, find the save selfies as previewed. Right now this option is turned on. This means your mirror selfie effect is turned on. To turn on mirror selfie effect on your phone, simply tap on the save selfie as previewed option, turn them off. After that, you can return to the camera menu, then check it work. This time it works properly, and that's it. You can easily enable mirror selfie effect on your Android phone. If you found this guide will help you, please subscribe my channel, like this video and give it a comment. Thanks for watching.